Anytime I visit mining communities, it brings me joy to see how mines can help develop and enrich our people through sustainable and responsible mining.
Asanko TV. Yes, so much.
Alishimama Emma Kwaba Asanko TV so. And ejina Amansia West Beshiaso. Kura what to do Esaase Bontefufuo. Sentia Wahani say Asanko gold mining. I see Ayasabia Kesia that their chair Bruno any Asantema any Ghana na and the Jumedia Kesia Asanko gold mining aye ye pa hontoma enu ntire se Asantema TV yenso ye bem ye befa de omu ye dima yahwefo ene ye tiefo Jumedia koso sei na kai opemso osetu abebiu ene ka wotu ba betwa ahomem nanso penisi se etifu ni wa apejafo ohina tia na achi enu nti wawro ni kawa e de ahye ama wawro ni kawa de ahye esumya Asantema so Ebiana PSA Asantema bonkum Odeneho Okyere Kusi Ntrama se omesi na nem na omra metwa homem abusafo ahade esewani na ese okakire de ekosu nyina no mepesa wo hu de ekosu bia na fe so fa bi na wusua de bi firi mu se ampa Asantema TV de e ba se ye beso ye man subscribe channel no share na onu bi nya bi social media ba bia ye gentre ha ho yemura apatakasi na se na fe bedwan de ekobia no yemfa bi ma yahwefo de atifo no
Asanko TV. Yes, so much.
Afei na Odeneho Okyere Kusi Ntrama Asantema bonkum hene asunya mahene Ebiana PSA bedura ono ena opemso ayi ni se omra na dwumadie kase tise no wo mesi na nem na wo mia no ena Esaase Bontefufuo ayasabia yesi ho Asanko gold Ghana ena esi ayasabia kese dia che Esaase Bontefufuo krono ena no pa hontoma ena na wotwa homem enti opemso setu tuni bonkum hene sumina mahene Odeneho Okyere Kusi Ntrama se womra na omedi dwumadie no ema no ohene na eba no Odeneho na eba no denso a denso aponchani o mensio odudo bibi odudo ba bibi die ona acha mesi wi se nyankaso wo be memu woni je bi kankan funa nano woni ma pa nana no Asantema ko jona nana no mo shamo ko fina nana no ye fre wo si ade yo wo si awo yo wo be memu ahini fatao Bema na eba no se ye kase ye ka ohini abodini ne nsemu a anu odi onu ne aduana PSA se ye ka ona ochichira Asantema ya na wokoji Asantema ya we ni fi mo nyeye abusia kase ye aduana abusia ona di jaba ye nyankopa sekire no aponchire ne o mensuo aduana PSA etu tatai ene wo Esaase Bontefufuo wo ba na wa be twa ahomem na ayasabia Asanko Gold Ghana, Esidiama, Bontefufuo no. Chamwe Pahuntuma. On Eban, or therefore Eban, enter. Busumi Omia, Bofolio Busumi, that also a Dionum, Ubotatra, the Namiasi. Say, she didn't point at them. If you so, this is not going to be Yanko. Ubenyan say, Ubenyan. Say, Ubenyan. No. On a conja santimai. What do you do? No. What Bema? I hear Safatao. What do I hear for so? One fan assassin. What Bema? Yeah.
Na yede dwumadie no empaibo a yedi ebia no aba.
The regional minister Nananom Ansana yebebom paye no Nananom Bema Otumfuo Ane Musini no Akwaba Ebesemre Kakrebi Nananom
You're a chairman. You're a man, and Esaase didn't pay for Pesema. You're a crab. Odeneho atrasi. Tinananum atrenkunya. Ebemano akwaba. Esaase Bontefufuo hene. Anasi akesi. Ena akochia. Odeneho. Na se ohwe asante amambre mu a ade a efa o ye ni se obabutre nanso otu ni wura no oyi na botre to ho hwe se penisi ba bia tumi wo no akinye eni ho ti sabre Odeneho akiri Kusi Ntrama asantema bonkum hina tenase nananum eba be mana kwaba na fe yede dwumadie ni nkae no atoa so
Onumpuntu juma akonkan na saa die iso na ya to bibia ye frɛ no Asanko opportunity cycle na ye sɛ Asanko akwanya etwa ne ho ebehia enumo enene ye hu sɛ yesi apomuden ayaresabea yi kama ɛwɔ ha na enye no nko ye ba mpotem ha mmra ye hye ye dwumadi ase wɔ Bontefufuo mu yi ye di dwuma bebre ye nyina ye kaka ye ni a ye hu sɛ
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chairman, Honorable Osei Mensah, the Ashanti Regional Minister. I know he's left. Nananom in the Bontefufuo or Asanko project area. Honorable Neil Lenu, Honorable Mike Lamwa, Honorable George Obintechi, Emmanuel Ejei Ashrin, Honorable, Head of Medical Facilities within the Asanko area, officials of Amansie West and Achuma Mwabinya District Assembly, Honorable Presiding Officer, the clergy, religious leaders, all staff from Asanko, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I bring you warm greetings and felicitations from the Asantehene Osei Tutu II and the people of Asante Mine. I am particularly delighted to be part of this occasion, one as a mining engineer and also as a chief representing my lord. Anytime I visit mining communities, it brings me joy to see how mines can help develop and enrich our people through sustainable and responsible mining. At the onset, I would like to extend my profound gratitude also to my Lord for giving me this opportunity, which is very rare. Not many chiefs or people get to stand in his stead. We all know that the Royal Majesty is an embodiment of development. But just to recall and take you back, similar to what the Managing Director mentioned, as part of the change in project plan in the execution of the Asanko project, His Royal Majesty requested that Asanko Mine consider leaving a legacy project that one day the people in Esaase and Bontefufuo will be proud and will honor and remember the value of everything that the mine came to do for us when mining one day is gone. And through that, Asanko Mine committed to put up this edifice that we are about to commission today and operationalize it. I was so delighted to see or hear from the Managing Director the facility, what it contains and what it can do. The maintenance culture he mentioned is one that is dear to my heart. That everything that we do, we have to make sure that we keep it in shape so that the edifice will stay for longer. I also wish to express my sincere thanks to Asanko Gold and its management for the love and care for its people and then the community in which it operates. I know they've taken a lot of corporate social responsibility programs, and this is dear to my heart, should continue in earnest. Ladies and gentlemen, I recount some of these contentious issues that came to my attention during the construction. And when I say I, in this case, I'm talking about the Royal Majesty. That after all the extensive deliberations we were able to lead and bring what brings us together to fruition and not what was going to divide us. Hence, we have this edifice, and I know there is more to come. If we join hands and help the mine and give it space for it to operate. Mining is joy. Mines will come and go. Through sustainable and responsible mining, we will get the benefit that we eager seek to require. I know Asanko is doing all his best to adhere to well safety standards and its commitment in terms of what the conditions of the environmental permit had stated for them. But I was passing through the mine road. On my left and my right side of the road wasn't good. And that is not something that any community or any mine would want to have next to their desk. Having worked in some mining companies, I'm not surprised that people are homing in onto your best portion. That you've paid money, you've harvested, and they want to harvest even more than you. But I seek that through continuous engagement and through responsible mining, we will be able to go forward steadfast and equally correct. At this stage, I also want to commend Nananum for supporting the mines to achieve what it has achieved today and continue to achieve in future. For my communities, I would say we should desist and move away from illegal mining. There are opportunities that these mines offer. If I listen and I hear that the mines have been able to create a vocational school, that is where the value is. Don't let anyone come here, confuse you, and think that the 1 ounce of gold that they take in on a daily basis is what is going to sustain Bontefufuo and his community. It is our hard work, our care for environment, and our care of respect for our people that is what is going to take us further. And I always say that if you want to go further, then you need to go with everybody. If you want to go alone, you'll never get there. We need a unity, we need a strength to make our communities safer, better, and we will achieve all the good things that we need. For everybody that made sure that this edifice came to fruition, I would like to thank you and say, Ayiko. I'm so proud once again to be a miner and proud to be part of the commissioning of this edifice. So please, let's welcome Asanko Mines and its management and all its shareholders and my Royal Majesty to mention the names. Continue to use them, but bring everybody together to make it a sustainable mine. Thank you very much. Which is good. I mean, these are some of the partners, strategic partners now when we are continue to get some of these assistance. The hospital engineering is an area we usually fit because as the beds gets older, it gets used. Now you get to maintain it. Now all this high tech equipment.
The hospital comes with 2 innovators. You're not going to keep 4 of them here, right? No. I don't talk any of them already. This is the director of health.
Tony Boati, half.
Asante TV. Yes, somos.